Met a shawty down in Cabo, she a model. Got a villa by the beach, I feel like Pilo. Girl, your best friend choose you, better follow.
It's deserted.
Well, it's like some off-roading thing. I don't know.
I
don't know much about it.
Let's get it. What are we getting ourselves into?
I don't know. I literally packed my life because I just wanted to be
Safe.
ready.
You did ask me what we were doing today, and I was like, I have no clue. And then next thing you know,
Got one phone call and we off to the races. Got the GoPro.
go pro, go Prizzy Pro.
Let's make this thing happen, yo!
My love's like a black hole sun, so bright when it burns, so dark when it's done. So hard to relate to.
We're off-roading in my Benz!
Big body Benz, remember I used to be dusty.
Big body band, remember I used to be dusty.
He said go ahead and whip it real quick. You know I gotta whip it real quick. About to get in this bad boy and whip it. They got pulled over.
They got pulled over. Get in.
Floor it!
Is that a big hill, right?
I don't know.
Stop it!
I don't know.
Listen, just drive straight.
You can reverse it if you want to, or you can hit that. Hit the brake, hit the brake, hit the brake.
It's so close. Brake is so close.
I know.
I'm tiny.
Go,
And this is just tiny.
go this way. Oh! Alright, take it up the hill now. That hill over there.
Nope.
You want me to do it?
Nope.
You don't want to do it at all?
I just started driving. You can relax.
We gotta go big or go home.
Go home.
This is too far to go home right now.
You're right.
You got it, bro. Just check, make sure it's in first gear. All the way down. All the way down? Yeah, it's in first gear.
First time off-roading, guys. Thoughts?
It's intense.
Very intense. Like that bad boy back there, that's a beast. I dirt biked a little bit. Did you get that on camera?
Okay.
First time dirt bike, you know, yeah, you're going crazy. She got pulled over. What happened?
I don't know.
We'll find out. Cookie got pulled over. Cookie got pulled over. Yeah, for helmet. How you get pulled over?
I got pulled over on my first day.
Your first day drive, you got pulled over by the cops.